Ni kasi wakado yang kadar barmang tengka ke CCADC, usi am ke council lawan rau ya ke motion, walaupun benar ya ke chairman bagi dekat ke public account committee, lelang ke house committee ke council. Apa ke PAC, datung yau Andrew Chulai kamu chairman, walengur ki dekat ki bukan tup yau munlait parian, umadan bay rembai, wa umi nengkong sutnga. Haka house committee, datung yau Dr. Sanki Changpung kamu chairman, wa songut ki dekat bukan tup yau rikut warmanship cadap Ukrisan langstang wa reforming son lamare ki secretary ke district council umangi kapi secretary ke PAC wa ke house committee.
Disposition of paragraph 9 of the Constitution number R to L to 2012 to 5 dated 7 May 2012. Published in the Gazette of the Calia dated 15 May 2012. Copy enclosed. I have to move that the public account committee of this district council be constituted to carry out the function, duties, and powers as delegated in the aforesaid notification with the following number. Chairman, Sri A.A. Julai, leader of opposition. Member, Sri M. Pariat, MDC. Number 2, Sri M.B. Rupai, MDC. And Sri M. Sutuna, MDC. Secretary District Council, serving Secretary of the Public Account Committee.
Dia berfungsi dan hal penting.
Mr. Samantha, the question of paragraph 12 of the notification dated R plus L plus 5 R 2012 plus 3 dated 7 May 2012, published in the Gazette of the Calia dated 17 May 2012. I beg to move that the House Committee of this district council be reconstituted to carry out the function, duties, and powers as indicated in the appointed notification with the following number. Chairman, Dr. S. Changpung, Chairman, as Vice Chairman, Deputy Chairman, members, Sri Rikut Karim, MDC, and Sri Workmanship Cheddar, MDC, and Sri Krishon Langstan, MDC, and Sri Reforming Son Lamari, MDC. Secretary District Council, Serving Secretary of the House Committee.
So now I declare that the motion of the constitution of Public Account Committee and the constitution of the House Committee is placed and approved by the House. Satu poin juga agenda yang is consideration and passing of the budget. Hasil report maupun yang membaca seluruh number 1 state of regional administration department terkait di yang charge number regional administration department.
Samantha, yang jadi perempuan itu I beg to move Al-Maham not exceed rupees 30 crore 28 lakh 10,200 be granted to the number of staff administration charges in full or payment during the year ending 31st March 2026 for acquisition of grant number 1, General Administration Department.
Since there was a court motion submitted by Sri Awai and July, MEC,